Jacob,
So,
why are you the way you are?
10, 10, 20s of them titties, bitch.
How are you feeling, Pete?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Feeling alright.
About as good as it gets, son.
Feeling kind of violated.
It's gonna be awesome. We're in the elevator right now, don't fart, Garrett.
Rack City, bitch. Look at these fucking pictures, they're amazing. This hotel is fucking sick. Look at the view. Woo!
This is, yeah. An alright view.
Swisher Sweets, I'm hard as fuck.
Waiting to fly out. There's a storm, so we'll see how this works out. Might get a little bit delayed.
Flying straight through the storm. Bear Grill shit, son.
Is the front going through here? Or you can climb up there?
Have a good flight. A little nervous, Jake?
I'm ready to go, son.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got a hatchet on you?
Do I need one?
You ever read that book?
Yeah. Actually, that was one of the few books I've ever read in my life. Biggest mistake I ever made.
There they go. Wonder how loud Pete's screaming right now. There she is. Yeah. Sitting in the plane. Getting ready to take off. You ready, Jake?
Yep. Okay.
This one's for you, butterfly girl.
is fucking awesome, dude.
Good to go. No turning back now, Jay.
Done. They've left us. In the deep Canadian wilderness, we will find ourselves. Fuck Dr. Phil. Oh snap, it's coming right at us.
Directly in the path of destruction. Uh-oh. Wait! Forgot my cell phone. Come back.
Just like that, she was gone.
Oh, now you heard him.
No, he landed in the water. He's fine. Might have
Let me
broke
see
his...
him. Nice.
Had to put on chapstick for this.
You didn't die.
Yeah, now I'm diving in.
All right.
I wish I would have brought my fucking phone to get a perfect picture.
Found the Great Valley, land before time. Everyone else left. They didn't want to come, but
Doesn't get any better than this, boys and girls.
get him.
I'm gonna put bugs in. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Beach day, baby. We're getting wild over this motherfucker.
What are you doing?
Dive for the frisbee. Hopefully injure my knee. Let's go.
Almost, but not quite.
Yeah! Comes flying off! Woo!
There's more whiskey here.
Crack it open. Take a shot for sure. You gonna get it this time?
Huh?
One last try.
One last try? God damn it. Alright, no GoPro.
No, you have to GoPro it.
GoPro.
Damn it. It's coming off.
That's the whole point of this.
It's coming off now because my hat's too wet.
Well, it'll stay on at least for the catch.
Take number 7. Come on, dude. Ready? Woo! I'll take that. It's for the homies. I ain't gonna dump any out though. Here, Jake. Should I dive out of the canoe? You ready?
Nope.
No.
Try to, yeah. See if you can get a peek.
Out of the canoe, Garrett.
Are you?
I don't know.
Don't flip us,
If
Jake.
it's real close,
No,
like,
don't. You're gonna flip us
Real
and
close. What are we gonna lose?
my camera that's out right now.
Oh yeah, damn it. All right, yeah, punt it.
Not even close.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try again.
Go get it.
Second time's the charm.
It is.
Rack City, bitch. Yep. I may dive out this time.
No, if you flip us, dude, you're buying me a camera and recreating this entire
Alright,
trip and
I'm
videotaping it.
I'm rich. We're ready. Wait, Garrett may have to catch it too. Oh, I could have dove and got that.
You should have paddled and got it.
Should I?
It's a pretty fun game.
Garrett, get that ball.
I'm videotaping.
Get out there too. You can try to block it with your paddle.
We're-
Throw it to Robert, and then Robert will throw it.
I'm going, dude.
Settle down, Jake. I can't videotape now. We gotta flip around.
Damn it.
Oh, we failed. Failed with the frisbee toss. Failed with the soccer ball kick.
No, I caught the frisbee on the last one.
Yeah, but we didn't dive.
I dove.
We have the tape to prove what happened.
I got the videotape of it on my head. What a shitty game. Let's go over to the beach and snorkel.
Are those loons?
They are.
Are they? They're different.
No, they're weird.
Here, bring us in. Can you bring us in? Oh, it looks like it. No. Are they big?
They're red-headed merganser.
They're redheaded. Uh-oh.
They all
Oh.
Where are they going to pop up is the question. Behind that. Behind us? No, behind that tree. Maybe. Or out there. Keep your eye in the water.
Oh.
They all popped up and kicked ass.
epic.
I knew it. That was epic.
That was cool.
They're like, alright, got it on 3. Ooh. They're still going. You're safe.
Yeah, they're still going. I was only gonna eat one of them, so.
You see how clear it was over there?
Oh
I
yeah.
got them.
They went right by us.
I dunked it underwater right as they all went under. I bet you I got them.
What do you see? I'm just telling Jake where we caught those fish. Mike got a pretty good size, but right from the shore.
Your shit on my foot. Hold up, dude.
Hold on. Let me get closer.
Nice fish.
Cast off the shore.
Let me get closer.
They're dark.
Yeah, they're good. Nice looking fish. Go this way, Dave.
That was right here, Dad.
Right off the side.
Yeah. You can literally drop it down. You taking a picture, Pete? It's
Yeah.
Killer's Day. You good?
Oh, I got him in midair. Yeah,
Come on, dude.
That's a perfect bait. Uh-oh. Did he get him?
Yep, got him.
That was so fast.
Got him. He's already boiling him up.
Nice orange moon for you. Currently attempting to videotape, oh, something's on me. Dude, what is that?
Dude, something's crawling around the bushes behind me too.
Trying to take pictures of a toad eating bugs. And I'm about to get epilepsy.
Damn it.
He's getting close. He's about to jump in. He's going for it. He cocks his head to the side. Easy tell, he's ready. Come on, you fucker. Dominate those little fucks. I don't like holding this light.
Why not?
Because it attracts all the bugs to me. Look at this moth just flying in my face.
Did you get any Pete?
Peter, you ever gonna give up?
Right now, I got that one. He has his eyes closed and his tongue's like sticking out a little bit. Like,
So you got it close.
yeah, pretty close.
If you get a picture of a fucking insect in his tongue, you're gonna make like $75.
I doubt it.
Yep.
Only 75?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, fucking
Who's
care
gonna pay him
about money.
$75 for that?
That's a good picture. Here comes a crawdad.
Yeah, but normally if you sell a picture, you're getting more than
Here comes a
$75.
crawdad. Crawdad's coming in. It's gonna take Fred.
Oh yeah.
What's the crawdad doing?
Oh, he's
Shine
grabbing
on
bugs too,
He's grabbing
Oh.
bugs.
dude.
He's grabbing bugs.
They don't like it when you shine on them though. Oh, he's coming up behind Fred.
Oh, grab Fred! Grab Fred! You son of a bitch! You don't just grab Fred like that. You don't just grab Fred like that. Well, you think you're hard? You think you're fucking hard? Don't grab Fred.
Throw him away.
Okay? Okay, dude?
Throw him
How
away.
dare you? How fucking dare
He
you?
gave up behind
We
him.
should kill him in front of Fred. Just to show him dominance.
Fred's getting out of here.
He's gonna
Get out,
he's gonna grab Fred.
Fred already had like 20 bucks.
Fred's my second favorite toad I've ever known.
What should we name this crawfish? Chris?
Poop shoot.
Poop shoot incoming!
Oh, dude, you son of a bitch. Where is he?
Yeah, he's right on you. He's got you. He's got you. Look.
Is he upside down?
Yep.
Oh, dude.
He's grabbing it. He's gone.
Alright, I'm not taking any more videos.
Poop shoot incoming. Originals are always better, kids. Fuck Darius Rucker. Fuck him. Cut. Stuck in the tent, and we're out of whiskey. The worst. Pete, you got that whiskey?
Where is it? Did we drink it all?
Yeah, we drank it all. We drank it all, Pete. Get over it. Me, mama, any way you feel.
We are on Telescope Lake. It's about 11 o'clock at night. We found one of them pincher bugs that eats frogs, and it has a crayfish. Jake, shine your light in there. Yes. Yes. Did you get a good picture? Is it even alive?
The pincher bug?
Yeah.
It's eating him.
Is it?
Yeah, I think he's got his mouth into him.
Yeah, you can see his butt breathing.
Oh yeah, he breathes out of his butt.
Yep.
And he catches frogs and crayfish now, we know. The things you find shining your flashlight into the water at night. That is weird.
So fucking.
Alright, we are now attempting to make him swim and see what it looks like.
Grab the stick behind him.
Whoa. Where'd he go?
Underneath.
We ruined his meal.
Oh, another crayfish fell. Tumbled down the hill.
Oh yeah. He's probably gonna find him now, hopefully.
Jake, you retarded?
Found in northern. A little ways down from the pincher bug.
Jake, you need help?
Just chilling. Jake's trying to catch a bug to feed it. These rocks are slippery, Jake.
Where is he?
He's right there.
A couple feet in front of him.
Oh. Oh.
He's gonna get it again. No, he'll get him. He'll get him.
What'd you toss out there?
He's gone. He's gone.
No. Oh.
We just grabbed the dog.
We are a little further down. Jake found a pet frog. What's his name, Jake?
George.
See?
George is getting eaten by northern.
Oh.
Jake. The moment you tried to capture him,
Where'd he go?
Yeah, right as I said that,
Get him,
he
Jake.
finally jumped away. I don't want to fuck with him, really.
You're not gonna throw him in?
Let me just toss him in the water, see how
Look,
worthy
he's
he is.
hurting. Look at his hands.
What's wrong with him?
He's dead.
That's... Yeah, look at his weird little hand.
What's he doing standing like that? think he doesn't like us.
I think he loves us.
I think he wants to go for a swim.
I think he might be tired of all this nonsense.
His hand?
Yeah.
How weird is it?
He just got it tucked up under. Can you see him right there?
Yeah.
See how he's got it tucked? He's just holding it like that for some reason. It's a weird way to hold your hand.
Yeah. He's like that guy from Scary Movie too. Take my good hand.
This one's all weird too.
Alright, we are done with our night walk and now we found a mouse inside our red pack of food. Where is he?
He's in there somewhere.
Come on out. Start taking stuff out, Jake.
Take stuff out one by one. Dude, I want a chocolate.
Oh yeah, let's get some chocolate.
He's on the chocolate, probably, the little
Give me
fucker.
that chocolate.
He's probably eating the fucking chocolate.
He's hiding. Start taking shit out, Jake. Oh, my Brazil nuts, dude. They're probably going after my gorp again.
Yeah, grab me that chocolate bar. Grab me that chocolate.
Yeah, this is
Give me
mine.
that chocolate bar. There he is.
Oh, there he is.
Where?
On the bottom.
Is he?
He's under the
yeah, look at him.
percolator.
He's so
Look at him.
scared.
He's hiding. He doesn't know what to do.
Poor
I'm
guy.
gonna get a picture of him.
Don't kill him.
We're
He
not
doesn't know what to do, dude. He's trying to fucking steal our food. It's punishable by death.
Jake's right,
hungry.
but here, grab that perky out.
He's in the percolator.
Use your hand.
You can't hide under the tortillas forever.
You can't leave him.
Oh,
We're gonna learn a life lesson today, bud. But you can't hide under the tortillas.
Wait,
Can't
What's
hide
his
under
name,
the fucking
Jake?
tortillas,
Wait.
Tim. No, we should call him Philip.
Focus, focus. Got you on camera, bitch.
this is National Geographic right here. Look at this mouse. He has no idea what
You'll
to do.
learn, dude. You gotta stay out of our shit.
Let's cut his tail off.
What's wrong with him?
He's trying to escape. Oh, what's he doing?
Let's clean his face. Give him a nut, at least, and then let him free.
Dude, there's a Brazil nut right there.
Yeah, you can grab that Brazil nut.
I think he's too scared right now.
Here, I'm gonna give him a hand.
Wait.
I'm gonna give him a hand out. Come on, dude, grab on.
Got him.
Oh, he may have found a way. Nope. Oh, yep, he found a way.
Get away from me, dude. Oh, he's coming at me.
Got him.
See you later, Philip. Have a good night.
Fucking Philip.
You need some Hershey's?
Here, give me that. You want to split one, dude?
Sure. I'll have 3 squares.
Come on, Blake.
We're gonna have to lock this pack somehow.
We should have really beat Philip to death.
Was that Philip? Yeah. We should have hung him back here and just put him. What?
There's probably enough room to shift everything to the blue pack, all the food. Just the food.
Yeah, might not be a bad idea.
Nah.
Probably a pretty good idea.
Mm.
Philip seems pretty cunning. It's delicious.
What are they doing?
Look at that one out there.
Yeah, he's going wild.
I hadn't gotten the loons on film yet. This is a good opportunity.
Yeah, they're acting weird.
What if it's 2 parents and 2 almost adults?
You want me to get my glow dart gun?
Yeah.
On Telescope Lake. It's my island.
One just called from across the lake, I think. They all dove.
Oh, went under.
Yeah,
Found a school of fish.
an otter.
Yeah, we see him. Got GoPro. Can't you hear him?
He went under.
Yeah.
Hey Jake, how's it going?
Good.
We're-
Get out of here tomorrow.
Where are we?
Telescope Lake, no. What lake are we on? One
Oni Lake.
Oniyamama Lake.
What do you got there?
Solar panel.
Let me see it.
Charging my GoPro, dude. That ain't bad.
What's that?
Sunset.
Not too bad at all. We are currently,
In the middle of the storm.
yep.
I'm gonna have to go for it. Ain't gonna work. Where's the light?
Are you putting the snorkel on?
Should I?
The storm doesn't seem to be so bad this second.
Oh, it's gonna get bad. I don't get deep enough breath, it ain't gonna work.
Alright. Wish us Final portage. Huh? Final portage, Jake.
Yeah. Hole on the left.
Wow. 25 meters. Hardly a portage.
You got the spare paddle? No. You guys got the spare paddle?
Garrett brought it
Oh,
on.
there isn't our paddles here.
Hey, Jake.
What's up?
We're done. How do you feel?
Falcon. Or
Oh.
a hawk or something.
Did you hear it?
Feel really good. I just need a double bacon cheeseburger, barbecue sauce, fucking bunch of shit on it.
Where are we? Right here?
We're at Johnson Lake.
Where's Harland?
He's 2 hours late.
What time is it now, Gary?
10:10, dude. We'll be here for 2 hours.
Jake, where's Harlan?
Where?
I said where?
I don't know where the fuck Harlan is. You better get here quick or we're gonna beat him to death. With our fists. We're not even gonna use weapons. We're gonna stomp him out. Rack City, bitch.